Hello folks, this is Steve AB4EL. Yeah, I'll be able to get a picture. Okay. I don't know if they're bringing it or they're taking it away. I don't know if they're bringing it or they're taking it away. I'm thinking that they did some of the tree clearance because they've got to have enough room to maneuver it. Wait a minute, I gotta get this right. Hang on. I gotta back out correctly. Here we go. Or that dog down there comes down and asks me what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. I gotta be able to see behind me. Traffic coming. Look at what I go through to show you special things. Okay, here we go. Steve AB4EL. Just being nosy. Saying see you at 73.